Barron's ASVAB 11th edition Diagnostic Test Arithmetic Reasoning question number 2. A scientist planted 120 seeds. Of the 120 seeds, 90 sprouted. They want to know how many seeds did not sprout, and which would be 120 minus 90. So we have 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 9 can't be done, so you would scratch this one out, make it a 0, and put the 1 right here. So you have 12 minus 9, which is 3. So 30 seeds did not sprout. Now, of the seeds, what percent of the seeds did not sprout of the total batch? In order to find the percent, you would automatically divide the results by the total possibility. So I'm going to do 120 goes into 30. How many times? That's how you find the percent. And 120 goes into 30, or 30 divided by 120 is the same thing as 3 divided by 12. Okay? 3 divided by 12 is 0, obviously. 12 does not go into 3. So I put a 0 there and the decimal point. Now I have, how many times does 12 go into 30? Or what is 30 divided by 12? Well, that's 24. And I put the 2 there, because 2 times 12 is 24. If you do the math, you go 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 1 is 2. Okay? So then I have to find out what is 30 minus 24. Well, 0 minus 4, you can't do that. So I have to scratch out this 3, make it a 2, and carry the 1, which is the equivalent to 10 over here. So now I have 10 minus 4 is 6, and 2 minus 2 is 0. So I just have 6. Now I'm going to bring down a 0. How many times does 12 go into 60, or what is 60 divided by 12? Well, it's 5. It's very important to know your times tables. 12 times 1 is 12, 12 times 2 is 24, 12 times 3 is 36, 12 times 4 is 48, 12 times 5 is 60. So we just know that. We know 12 times 5 is 60, and I can show you the math. 5 times 2 is 10. Okay? 5 times 2 is 10. I'm going to put the 0 right there, and I'm going to carry the 1. 5 times 1 is 5, but I have the 1, so I'm going to carry that 1 in, and 6. So 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. There's 0 left over. Now this is 25%. 30 divided by 120 is 25%. 3 divided by 12 is 25%. Of the seeds that did not sprout, which is 30 seeds did not sprout, what percent of the seeds failed to sprout? There's 30 seeds that failed to sprout. What percent is that? You would automatically divide this number by this number. The number that actually took place by the total number of possibilities. So we have 25%. The number that actually took place divided by the total number of possibilities.